All right, guys, good morning to you. What we have seen today is we talked about it in the chart talk this morning, the short chart talk that we did that is live up on YouTube. Guys, we do have a long lead bias in the ES on the 4-hour time frame. Key areas of interest, guys, are the 2843s and anywhere above, guys, 2843s. I think that is definitely a key area here in the ES. Let's take a look at why. Join me as we do on the 4-hour time frame, guys. We do see the middle of the previous area balances down here at the 20. Let me zoom in. I apologize. There we go on the 4-hour time frame. Off that trade, that overlapping trade, guys. The upper extreme of that previous area balance and the middle of this current previous balance, the controls here, guys. We are seeing 2843 and a halves, guys. That is definitely where we're looking for here on the 4-hour time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, yeah, rock along with me as we do. I do see here that 57 area, guys. We did have it previously as that 54, 53 area in the middle of this area balance. It was on not last night, it's overnight, but the night before, guys, off those recent lows, that balance area that we saw from 57 to 51s. Guess what, guys? Looking at it, giving it another look this morning. Yeah, I definitely think that we did see another area of balance, especially into the morning after we established that lean and saw that trade back up. So, guys, I do think that we do have we do have a long lean bias in the ES as long as you see a price pattern trade in the 2857 and anywhere above. Finally, guys, like I said, we did revise that up. We did see spike all the way up to the 68s, and then we are off them, guys, on the 5-minute time frame, which is why talking about we see 1, 2, and 3, guys. You see 68s to 63s. We do see the middle of the area bounce the 66s all the way down into the 60 halves. And then we did see in the overnight session the 64s all the way down into the 57 halves. So, guys, we definitely did see, have seen, and will continue to see that in this 5-minute time frame. We do have a short lean bias in the 5-minute time frame with trade below 66. I think a good place to be looking is 64s at the upper extreme of balance. I think that is the middle of the previous area of balance. I think that is a good place to be looking for a price pattern. But guys, trade above 66 and validates that short lean on the 5-minute time frame. Trade back above 66 and validates that short lean. So I think anywhere from 64 quarters, 64 halves, all the way up into that 66. I think that it's a good zone to be looking for a price pattern to the downside on the 5-minute time frame, guys. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ, guys. NASDAQ on the 4-hour time frame, guys. What do you see there? I think we all see what we all see. We all see a key area of interest at 72.61, guys. That's 72.61, which is off that recent low. We did see a spike all the way up to 75.30, all the way back down to 71.70s, guys, through that middle of the 71.94. Yeah, the middle of that previous larger area balance that had been established from early June until the middle of July, guys, and we did see initiative out of it back into that middle area balance. And guess what? That middle of that V bottom off that lows with continuation of the upside. Yeah, the middle of that is the 72.60, 61, 57s. What did I say? I said the 72.61s. I like it. 72.61s and anywhere above, guys, gives us a long lean bias in the ES. But on the 30-minute time frame, guys, it is a different story. It is completely a different story, my friends. On the 30-minute time frame, we did see selling up in that 74.42 spot 9, 74.44 area, 44 halves were the high of the day yesterday. We did see selling come in, which was the right into a key area on at the middle of the that spike high that we had seen the day prior, guys. Unable to make new highs of the day, unlike we had seen in previous sessions. So, guys, let's just talk about 75.05 on the on the 9th. Newer low, lower high, guys. Lower high of 74.74, right? That's where we were short. The invalidation in the short key area did not follow through. Then we saw a new low down to 73.16s. Saw a lower high again, up into the 74.32s. We saw a higher low, guys. A higher low in the day session at the 73.26 is off those 16s, guys. And we saw a lower high again, 74.19s. We saw a higher low at the 73.51s. If you guys get in what I'm saying, yeah, we are starting to see sort of a flagging pattern here, guys, with it's sort of an overlapping and condensing pattern here, guys. And we did see a breakout to the upside. We failed to see we failed to see lower lows. Lower highs again. We started to see higher highs all the way up into the 54s on the 21st, and the eyes on the 22nd. Yeah, on the 22nd we definitely did see failure to see continuations to the upside. And even though we have yet to make new lower lows, we did not make higher highs. So, guys, we are starting to see a little bit of chop come in, and I think that on the 5-minute time frame, on the 30-minute time frame, I definitely think that we need to get back above that 44 in order to see any continuation to the upside. However, I do think that as long as we are below that 42 to 44 area, guys, I do think we continue to see some selling come in, guys. And right now we do have, yes, right, monthly home. So, guys, we did see previously spot 2. There is no survey. Monthly home should be out right now. I will have that for you as soon as it populates here on the board. I don't see it yet, guys. I'm staring intently, but I don't see anything. All right, guys, I will check again in 30 seconds. But yeah, let's keep going on. So on the 30-minute time frame, guys, on the 30-minute time frame, we definitely have seen a short bias on that NASDAQ. We do have a long lean bias on the NASDAQ on the 5-minute, which trade above 74.06. Let's talk about why 74.06. Let me check that number for you again, see if it's there. Nope, still not there. Still no monthly home, guys, at that 8 o'clock time frame. Interestingly enough, no monthly home yet, guys. I will have that for you as soon as it comes out. But yeah, guys, why do we put it there? Because, guys, yesterday after the open, we did talk about how that 73.78 area was a key area yesterday, and we did see a price pattern into it, and we did see continuation to the upside. First overlapping on the open, guys. And continuation to the upside, yeah, was from. And you can definitely see it here is from the 74.17 to the 73.96, guys. The middle of that area of balance, guys. Middle of that area of balance is the 74.06, 74.05, 74.06, and 74.04, guys. 74.04 has been a key area for us multiple times. But yeah, we have seen that, and we did see that continuation to the upside from there. I think that as long as we stay above that area on the 5-minute, guys, I think that we will see continuation to the upside on the 5-minute time frame. So that is those are our leans in the NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the leans on the bias on the YM, guys, as the crude is starting to come off, down 22 cents in the day. Let's take a look at that YM. Let's move it on over, rocket on over to that YM. Let's take a look at a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Yeah, we are initially out of balance to the upside. We do have a long lean in the YM. Anywhere above 25.054. Why 25.054, you ask? Because that is that recent swing low. That is the area of balance that we saw on that YM. And guys, we did see initiative out of balance to the upside on the 4-hour time frame. If we come back down to that recent swing low that we did see here, guys, we did see that 0.54s as a key area, and come back down to it, guys. Initiative out of balance above this upper area, this 25,660 area, guys. Anything above that, and then we see back down into it. Yeah, that does, and back down through the whole balance. Yeah, that definitely invalidates that longer lean, that 4-hour time frame. I think we could potentially lighten that up. We'll see, tighten that up. We'll see what we see as time progresses, especially if we see a full area balance form up here on these recent highs. We have yet to see that, though. On the 30-minute time frame, guys, we do have a long lean bias anywhere above 25,584, 25,584. Let's take a look at it on the 30-minute time frame and figure out why. It's because 25,584 was the last area of balance up on the highs before we tried initiative out of balance. If we come back down into it and trade the 589s, 584s, 580 somethings, 591s, guys, I think that we start to lose. We definitely lost that initiative out of balance, and we definitely expected and definitely will continue to see some guys. Still, that monthly home is still not posted yet. I apologize, guys. If it were posted, I would talk about it. But yeah, guys. If we see that back into the balance area, yeah, I think that definitely gives us some some reason for some cause for concern, if you do know what I'm saying. So, guys, and then we do have that is a long lean bias still above 25 584s, but on the 5-minute time frame, guys, we're looking for a short pattern. We have a short lean bias. We're looking for a price pattern at the 25 764 for a short, and anywhere below. Why, guys? Why that area? Let's take a look at the 5-minute time frame. So, guys, we did come off those recent highs. We did come back down, and we did balance in a day and a half of trade so far, guys. We have balanced them up from the 826 all the way down to the 676, and we are just hanging them out on these recent lows, and we have to get back up through the middle area of the balance in order to see any sort of hope for any continuation of the upper extreme, guys. I think that we have yet to see that. But if we see any trade up to the 764, guys, 764, almost 100 points off that recent low, I do think we should be looking for a price pattern in this area. Should be looking for a price pattern and looking for continuation back down to the downside, looking for targeting that 586, guys, that 586 area. So, guys, that is those are our leans here for the day on the ES, the YM, the ES, the NASDAQ, and the Dow. I'm leaving the Russell out of the mix for the time being, but yeah, guys, that is what we have seen recently. I do appreciate your time, and yeah, you can definitely reach out to me. Say hi at FutureSquawk. You can see FutureSquawk, how it's spelled, FutureSquawk on your screen right now. Yeah, that's right, guys. Reach out to me. Say hi. Say SAYHI at FutureSquawk. Thank you very much for listening. And those are the leans for the day.